Hi, I'm Jessica Mele from therelaxedmarketer.com. Today we're going to talk about installing a plugin for your SEO. So there are three that are really well known: All-in-One SEO, Yoast SEO, and Rank Math. I can't tell you which one to install because if you look online, everybody loves one of them. You can't really find someone that says, this is really the best. One person likes one person likes another, and they all seem to work decently. So at the moment, most of mine have All-in-One on it. I have started using Yoast because a couple people I trust were recommending it, but if you use any of them, you'll be fine. Basically, what it does is it looks at your post and gives you suggestions on how you can make it better. For example, it'll say you're not linking to any other posts on your website, you should add that in. It basically helps you get better SEO, so you'll get more organic traffic from the search engines like Google, which is what you're looking for. So I think as long as you install one of them and look at it, I think you'll be happy. So I'm going to show you how to install a plugin for one of those three. What you do is you go over to Plugins, Install New. You can type in any of them, but I've found if you typed in All-in-One SEO, all three of them are going to show up, which I thought was really funny. You can see that all of them have a lot of people using it. All-in-One has over 3 million. Rank Math, which it says is new, has over 1 million. And Yoast has over 5 million. I purposely, on this new site, haven't installed any yet. All three are going to be done the same way. You click on Install Now. And then you click on Activate. It's really that simple to install any plugin. Nice and easy. And now I'm going to show you a little bit how to use it. Basically, if you started a new post, let that load, you're now going to see something about, there you go. You can put in a focus key phrase. It talks about, like, you put your meta description, it'll give you an analysis. I don't have any text, but it'll tell you, what you should be doing. And I found it's helpful. Do you absolutely need one? No, but I think it'll help if you want to get more traffic in. Who doesn't want to get more traffic? So once you've typed in a bunch of text, things will show up here, and it'll tell you, maybe you should add more links. It'll tell you anything that'll help. And I try to look into it. For this, I think you're trying to make sure that everything is green, nothing is red. When there's a problem, they think there's something wrong, it's red. And that's it. You have 2 buttons to install, and hopefully this will help make your posts better, and you'll be able to rank better and get more traffic. Thank you.